guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Lacey. I am a mother of 3. I have a almost 14-year-old stepson and 2 4-year-old twin boys. And this channel, I like to do motivational cleaning, cook with me videos, DIY, and small renovation projects around the home. So if you like that type of content, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and become a part of our family here at Home with Lace. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a comment down below as well.
Had enough and I want more. Up so high but then I fall. Going in and out of love. Know that we need it. I know that you feel it.
This video is meant to be just a quick 10-minute pick-me-up. Right now I am doing a couple loads of laundry, and then I'll be moving up to the upstairs rooms, getting those straightened up. We're not going to be doing any deep cleaning or vacuuming today because, again, this is just a quick cleaning video just to kind of get you motivated to pick up small things around the house and to get something done.
I gotta shut it on. Baby, we go on and on. Say we don't care, but it's so dumb. Up so high, but what it's worth. In so deep with no reverse. I know that we need it. Know that you feel it. I gotta know. Forever repeating. Love keeps on leaking. I gotta know. Oh, 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 oh. I know. Oh, 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 oh. This thing is in my head. I can't make you understand.
So I know it's the middle of August, but Abel loves Christmas, and if he could, he would live in his Christmas pajamas.
Baby, we go back and forth. I gotta know. Had enough and I want more. I gotta know. Oh, 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 oh. I know. Oh, 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 oh. This thing is in my head. I can't make you understand. Oh, 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 oh. I know. Oh, 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 oh. This thing is in my head. I can't make you understand. Oh, 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 oh. I gotta shut it off. Oh, 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 oh. I gotta shut it off. I gotta shut it off.
So lucky for me, they don't really have any toys in their room. All their toys are kept downstairs in the playroom and then also in the basement. It's because we don't really spend a lot of time upstairs unless we're taking naps or going to sleep for the night. And when they are upstairs in the early morning, I have them read a book. laundry is a never-ending chore at your house like it is at mine, leave a heart in the comment box down below.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sin. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just.
And here we are coming to the last of the video. We're going to be ending in the master bedroom, and thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, give me a thumbs up in the comment box. And for those of you that may be new, thank you so much for choosing my video. And if you would like to become part of the family, hit that subscribe button, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.